how to fix any bug on iPhone. Today I'll show you how you can fix any bug on iPhone. So what you need to do is, first of all, open up your device settings on iPhone and turn on airplane mode. Now, what it will do is it will disconnect you from the poor connection towers and then reconnect you with a better and stable connection. It will help you in solving problems related to your Wi-Fi or mobile data or Bluetooth connectivity. Now, go back to your home page and select an application that is causing problem and just delete it. And after deleting, install it again from the App Store in order to install a new and fresh application for a smooth experience. And after that, open up your settings, scroll down and access general section. Now scroll down again and select shutdown, and it will simply restart your phone normally. And then you can tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset. Select the preferred option and reset your iPhone. Now just again open up the general section and open up software update. Make sure your iPhone software is up to date, as it will help in stabilizing security and stability of your phone, and that's how you can fix any bug on iPhone. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.